Hello everyone! In this tutorial, you'll get to know the kind of information you can gather from each post on your community feed and how it will help you better manage your content. You will notice several icons and bits of information all around each post. They will help you go deep into every detail related to the specific content you're dealing with. They will also help you take advantage of the collaborative tools we've included so that you and your team can optimize your time and resources. Let's take a look at the details of an individual post. On each post, you can identify the social network that was used by looking at the icon on the very top. You can also identify the author of the post, the publishing time, and the pages and profiles the content was posted on. If you would like to see the author's previous communication with the pages and profiles you're managing, then simply click on the author's name. In the top right-hand corner of each post, you will find legends to differentiate between an original post and a comment or reply. If the legend reads a post or tweet, then it's an original post. You'll also find legends like reply or comment to help you easily identify what sort of content you're dealing with. In the bottom of each post, you can see the interactions it has accumulated. These interactions differ by social network. You will see likes, comments, and shares for a Facebook post, likes and comments for an Instagram post, and retweets, replies, and likes for a tweet. In the bottom left-hand corner, you can mark the status of the post as done if you have already replied or given attention to the user, in progress if you're working on the answer, or no action if the post does not need a response on our behalf. Selecting the status for incoming content will make it easier for team members to focus on those items that still require their attention. If you would like to see the entire thread of a conversation, click on the View Whole Thread button. On the upper right-hand corner of the pop-up, you will find a Pin as New Feed button. By clicking on it, the thread that you're currently analyzing will appear as a new column on Community. This will give you a better overview of the conversation and will come in handy when tracking posts that are receiving a high volume of interactions. Now let's look at the features offered in the bottom bar of a post. First, you can engage with the content by liking a tweet, replying, or retweeting. You can take similar actions for Facebook, Instagram, and Google+. To be able to engage with content, you will need a specific permission. For more information on that, please check out our profile permissions video. You can always verify which profile you're engaging with at the very far right of the post. You can also label your incoming post by clicking the label icon in the bottom bar of a post. To apply labels, select the ones you'd like to add and click Apply Label. You can also create new labels or manage existing ones. Labels are great when classifying incoming messages. Check how many questions, comments, or complaints you're getting more often and include them in your reports. Internal notes are a great way to communicate internally with other teammates. These comments are not published in social networks, but allow you to have a better communication with your team to ask any questions you might have or bring something to their attention. You can mention any user within your account as you would on Twitter, so they get an internal notification of your note. The Assign option lets you assign a post or several posts to a specific teammate. In a team with several customer care representatives, there might be someone in charge of pricing questions, while someone else answers all shipping inquiries, for example. By assigning posts to a specific user, each member of your team knows exactly which posts require their attention. On the far right corner of a post, you'll find an ellipsis icon. Here you can take further actions such as hide it, archive it, remove it, ban the user, check out their profile information, or open the post directly on the respective social network. Finally, on the top left-hand corner of a post, you will find a Select Item box. This will come in handy when working with several pieces of content. By selecting several posts and then heading to the menu bar that appears at the bottom, you can change their status, assign all of them to a specific teammate, label them, archive or remove them, or add internal notes to all of them. This is a time saver when trying to change the status of several posts at a time. Now that you can quickly manage content across multiple social networks, you'll be able to invest more time creating engaging content, exploring what your competitors are doing, and analyzing the performance of your own posts. See you on the next video.